Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miss CML Palawan Season 6. Please welcome your hosts for tonight, Fashionista Queen Year 14 First Princess and Miss Universe Philippines Palawan 2024 First Runner-Up, Sunshine Lianiguez, and Fashionista Queen Year 12 and Butya ng Palawan Tourism 2022, Fritzy Mendoza.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, students of Bataan Peninsula State University. Welcome to Palawan. So without further ado, let's start our activity for tonight by introducing our judges. So let us start with our first judge. She is a member of Elitista Circle of Models. She is currently studying Bachelor of Science major in Marine Biology at Palawan State University, a volunteer of Palawan Animal Lovers Community, writer of a magazine Out of Town Destination, Fashionista Queen Year 14 Top 6 finalist, Miss Puerto Princesa 2023 First Runner-Up. Let us all welcome Miss Priscilla Caligid. And for our second judge, he is a member of Elitista Circle of Models, graduated at Spalding High School, and just arrived from the United States of America, planning to take up Bachelor of Science of Business and Accountancy at Palawan State University, and a Bayok Bodies 2024 Grand Winner. Let us all welcome Mr. Kevin Rosidlo. For our third and last judge, she is a member of Elitista Circle of Models, a graduate of Bachelor of Science Secondary Education major in Social Studies, Binibining Dagyawan 2019, Miss Palawan State University Rojas Campus 2023, Mutya ng Rojas 2023, Mutya ng Palawan North 2023, and the SK Chairperson of Barangay 4, Poblacion Rojas, Palawan. Let us all welcome Miss Patricia Loren Munoz. There you go with our esteemed panel of Board of Judges. Thank you so much, Sunshine. So our judges will sure have a tough time with
Bringula 21 representing BSTM 4A. In Palawan, it's not just a scene, but it's lived.
candidate number
2. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jana Yvonne Duyugan, representing BSTM 4B, and my motto is, kung may problema ka, it's your problem. Thank you.
candidate number 3.
Gina Villa, 21 years old, representing BSTM Force. I am a woman filled with passion, beauty, and determination. My dress is made from the combinations of tablecloth with the combination of colors, blue and green, representing the beauty of nature and waters of Palawan.
Let's have number 4.
Good evening, everyone. I am Nina Isabel Garcia Repollo, 22 years old, representing BSTM 4B. At naniniwala ako sa kasabihang, kumain ka ng kalabasa para makita mong may mahal na siyang iba. And thank you.
Number 5.
Mabuhay! I am Frances Lorraine Panganiban, 21 years old, from Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, BSTM 4C. And I believe in the saying that life isn't about the timing. It is about how we create ourselves, just like how we created this beautiful dress that I am wearing tonight that will surely won with my oozing confidence.
Good evening, everyone. This is Laika Garcia, 21 years of age, and I'm proud representing BSTM 4A. Hi, Miss Priscilla. Are you a vegetable? Because I think that you'd be a cute camper. Thank you.
amazing ang mga suot ng ating mga candidates for tonight. And thank you sa teams and sa students ng Bataan Peninsula State University for participating. Very lovely. Now let's proceed to one of the most exciting part, ang question and answer. Are you guys ready? With candidate number 1. Okay, here's your question. Out of all the tourist destinations you've visited here, which is your favorite and why? Out of all the tourist destinations you've visited here, which is your favorite and why?
Out of the destinations that I visited here in Palawan, my most favorite is the underground river. Because it is not just a destination for me, because I relate to the... Joke lang pala. Because I think it is a home that many of our lives. Ay, ba't ganun? Thank you.
Candidate number 2. Princesa best known for?
Review mo yan! Review ko to. I think that Palawan is best in beaches because earlier we visited Condo Bay and I see some many beautiful beaches. Yung mga mapuputing buwangan. Ayun. And the people there is so generous. Mababait sila. And ayun. And that, thank you.
Number 2. Here we have candidate number 3, please. Here's your question. What makes Underground River unique? What makes Underground River unique?
I think that what makes Underground River unique is... Wait, let me think. Underground River is unique because of its the rock formations, because it takes billions of years to form. And besides that, I think that it is unique because of the tour guides. Because without the tour guides, we wouldn't be able to witness the beauty of the what's my question? Underground River. The beauty of the Underground River. Thank you.
I love the confidence. Question. How would you convince people or
people from Cavite to visit Puerto Princesa, or people from Bataan rather, to visit Puerto Princesa?
So, ayan, buong Tagalog. Good evening, everyone. So my answer for that question is I can encourage them to showcase what I've witnessed here in Palawan, and also teach them to ipon some money, because the way from here is too expensive. And kidding aside, we witnessed all the fourth-year student of Bataan Peninsula State University, the PD of the Palawan, and we are happy to share it with others, and also in Bataan, because we saw the beauty of the Palawan, the history, and all the stories that we heard from it. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 4. Let's have candidate number 5.
So this is your question. What is the best thing about Puerto Princesa? What is the best thing about Puerto Princesa?
For me, the best thing in Puerto Princesa is its people. Because I believe that the tourism of Puerto Princesa will not be able to, tagalogin natin. Hindi siya magiging kilala o sikat sa mga turista if wala yung mga tao na magpapakilala dito, na mag-welcome sa kanila kung ano ba ang meron ng Puerto Princesa. Ayun lamang po. Salamat. Tourism. How can you help promote Puerto Princesa's tourism?
I personally think that I can help Puerto Princesa tourism by sharing my personal experience, because here I was able to experience their rich and vibrant culture, and with that I think my personal story will be able to motivate people, to encourage them to come here and be able to contribute in their tourism, especially in their economic industry. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present to you the Palawan models from Elitista Circle of Models, beginning with Mutya ng Palawan Tourism 2022 and Fashionista.
Okay, to award our sash and cash for our second runner-up, may we call on Miss Priscilla Caligid and Miss Juliet Blanas. Yes. And once again, our second runner-up will receive a sash and 1,000 pesos cash from CML Travel and Tours. Oh, just clarification, cash prize lang po pala. So, ang merong cash, I mean sash, ay ang ating winner. So, our second runner-up is candidate number 4, Miss Nina Isabel. Congratulations, Miss Nina. And to award the first runner-up, may we call on Kevin Lucidlo and Miss Leslie George Akain. Our first runner-up will receive 1,500 pesos with flowers. And our first runner-up is candidate number with an average of, so palang ganon. Our first runner-up is candidate number 6. To award the Miss CML, may we call on Judge, our chairman of the board, Miss Patricia Lauren Munoz, with Sir Roger John House. Our Miss CML Palawan Season 6 winner will receive 2,000 peso cash, a sash, and a crown. Pero hindi nyo yung sa bataan ng crown, guys. Hindi mo